Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to write a gig title in Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top right corner, you're gonna find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it and then make sure that you are logged into your account. So right here, you're gonna find profile, post a request, refer a friend, become a seller, settings, billing and payments, language, and so on. So go ahead and click on become a seller if you are not a seller, and then go right here and click on become a seller. After that, you need to click on continue, 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 and then fill the form with your informations. Click on continue, and then click on finish, and click on done. So right now, as you can see, guys, we need to write a gig title. As your gig storefront, your title is the most important place to include keywords that buyers would likely use to search for a service like yours. So what you need to do, guys, is type a title that describes what you do so buyers can find you easily. So they gave you an example right here. I will do something I'm really good at. So for example, I'm gonna type I will make the best YouTube thumbnails like this. And then you need to follow the steps, select the category, search tags, and then click on save and continue. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.